Thank you for purchasing the new ProForm 325 CSX exercise bike. Follow these steps to assemble your new exercise bike. Step 1. Assembly tips. Assembly requires 2 people. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. To identify small parts, see page 7 of the owner's manual. Keep the included tools. One or more of the tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Do not use power tools. Left parts are marked L or left, and right parts are marked R or right. Step 2. Attach the rear stabilizer. Orient the rear stabilizer as shown. While a second person lifts the rear of the frame, attach the rear stabilizer to the frame with 2 M10 by 80 mm screws. Step 3. Attach the front stabilizer. Orient the front stabilizer as indicated by the sticker. While a second person lifts the front of the frame, attach the front stabilizer to the frame with 2 M10 by 80 mm screws. Step 4. Attach adjustment lever. Orient the adjustment lever as shown. Attach the adjustment lever to the brake axle with 2 M6 by 16 mm screws, 2 M6 split washers, and 2 M6 washers. Step 5. Attaching backrest frame. Orient the backrest frame as shown. Attach the backrest frame to the seat carriage with an M8 by 20 mm screw and an M8 by 30 mm screw. Step 6. Attach the seat frame. Orient the seat frame as shown. Attach the seat frame to the seat carriage with 4 M8 by 40 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Step 7. Attach the seat. Orient the seat as shown. Attach the seat to the frame with 4 M6 by 40 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Step 8. Attach the backrest. Orient the backrest as shown. Attach the backrest to the backrest frame with 2 M6 by 40 mm screws. Step 9. Connect the main wires. Remove the accessory tray from the left and right front shields. It may be helpful to use a standard screwdriver to release the tabs on the accessory tray. Have a second person hold the upright near the frame. Locate the wire tie inside of the upright. Connect the tie to the wire pull. If the wire pull is not present on your model, securely fasten the wire tie to the wire harness as shown. Then, pull the upper end of the wire tie upward until the main wire is routed through the upright. Press the small latch on the connector on the upper wire and remove the wire pull. Discard the wire pull with the attached wire tie. Step 10. Attach the upright. Avoid pinching the main wire. Hold the upright against the frame. Attach the upright with 4 M8 by 15 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Next, orient the accessory tray and the console cover as shown and slide them into the upright. Then, press the accessory tray onto the left and right front shields. Step 11. Attach handlebar. While a second person holds the handlebar near the upright, route the main wire through the notch in the upright and through the opening in the handlebar. Avoid pinching the main wire. Insert the handlebar into the upright. Attach the handlebar with 2 M8 by 63 mm bolts and 2 M8 lock nuts. Make sure that the lock nuts are in the hexagonal holes. Step 12. Attach the console. While a second person holds the console near the handlebar, connect the main wire to the wire on the console. Important: the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your exercise bike to function properly. Then insert the excess wire into the handlebar. Avoid pinching the main wire. Attach the console to the handlebar with 4 M4 by 16 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Step 13. Attach the console cover. Slide the console cover upward against the handlebar. Attach the console cover with 2 M4 by 16 mm screws. Step 14. Attach pedals. Identify the right pedal. Use your fingers. Turn the right pedal about halfway into the right crank arm. Then use a wrench to firmly tighten the right pedal. Repeat this step with the left pedal. Important, you must turn the left pedal counterclockwise to attach it. Next, adjust the right strap to the desired position and press the ends of the strap onto the tabs on the right pedal. Adjust the strap on the left pedal in the same way. Step 15. Turn on the bike. Plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the front of the exercise bike. Note: to plug the power adapter into an outlet, see How to Plug in the Power Adapter on page 14. Step 16. Final inspection. Make sure that all parts are properly tightened. Extra parts may be included. Keep the included tools. One or more of the tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Place a mat beneath the bike to protect the floor. Thank you for purchasing this ProForm bike.